Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are keeping safe. Well, Mumbai won again in the IPL and RCB lost for the 13th time in a row. I have no more emotions or sadness left in my life. In fact, I have no life left. Moving forward, I put up a post on Instagram saying that I broke my TV because RCB lost, but obviously that's not true. I happened to dismantle the entire TV because we had a flickering issue on the TV that was not fixable, and we happened to ask the company. They said they would take 40,000 to repair the TV, and the irony was that we got the TV for like 32,000 few years before, and the Bhangar wala said that he would give us 300 bucks. I was like, thank you. So we were like, we as in dad and I, so we were like, why not just do some DIY out of this? And yeah, so we had three basic components, that is the outer frame, the inner frame, and the center frame. And let's see what we happen to make, and it's come out pretty well as per as me, and I can clearly sell it for more than 300 bucks for sure. And pair it to your friends who are RCB supporters and are planning on to break few things. Maybe that's going to be really helpful to me. And all in all, I hope you guys subscribe. My aim is to reach 200 subs by the end of this year. So we have 50 more days and 70 more subscribers to go. So hope you guys are up for it. And yeah, I will show you my setup. I hope you guys can see me more clearly than what it was previously. So here it is. I've hung my tripod this way, and this is like the panel for the TV that I was supposed to throw, but this kind of reflects good light, so I use it like a soft board. I hope that's what it's called in videography terms. So yeah, let's go. Also, for the fact that I had put up a post saying that I broke my TV and few people actually bought it, here are a few of the screenshots. I have a few screenshots here and there. I clearly don't remember, so I'm just going to put up, and I'll carry on with the video post that. So here it is, the final product. There are a few more spaces that I can fill maybe later down when I finish more trips with my family. I've added a lining of Christmas lights since we don't use it apart from Christmas, so it's all around the frame. And yes, Samsung, this is the frame, only the frame, and I've hung it. Also, these paper clips and these wooden clips, I bought them for like I think 40 bucks, and I think that is the only expenditure that I've got, because oh yeah, obviously the photos too, that cost me. Moving forward, the TV was there, I had the Jutwas, I had the Christmas lightings, and the rest using a clip like a hook. And now it's time. So yeah, I mean, you can use it as your night lamp because this is barely going to take any voltage, and it kind of lights up the room. Also, it might seem like it's shimmering, but this doesn't go well. Then there is one disco. Yeah, this is really low. This is too fast. This is cool. So this is like the basic frame of the inner side of the TV, and I happen to fix a few hooks, a net again with hooks and screws, and a few shelves like this, many more hooks and many more screws, and this is basically going to be my So yeah, I kind of basically made a helmet stand for myself that has my two helmets, my goggles, my gloves, my jacket, bike oil, phone holder, keychain, and with COVID on, I have a mask stand as well. So this is kind of the look that it has. I have put lights around it, and I'll show you how it looks at night. And to see the expense of it, I've spent $70, I believe, just for the screws and nuts. The rest were like all scrap that I had at home. So yeah. Now the last DIY that we did was the backside of the TV, and that looks somewhat like this. So this is the frame of the backside of the TV, and we plan to make a teapoy by putting some kind of glass on top, and this is how it would look. So there would be a glass, and we haven't got the glass yet. But if you see closely, these are all the places that I've been to and the rocks from those places. So we have Shimla, Goa, Pangong Lake, Kardungla, that is the highest motorable road, Ladakh, Shimla, and a few other places like that. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope you guys like the DIY for the TV, and well, this is the new TV, and I hope I don't break this too. If you guys reach so far, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. It'll take you 2 seconds, please. Let's reach the 200 mark before 2021. This is the first time I'm asking for a subscription or like or share, I think. But anyways, bye.